Welcome. If you're looking to unblock someone on Snapchat and aren't sure how, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to unblock a user on Snapchat using your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage all your settings and contacts. Once you're on your profile page, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. This is where you can adjust all your Snapchat preferences, including your blocked users. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Blocked Users. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a list of everyone you've blocked on Snapchat. In this list, find the person you want to unblock. Once you spot their name, you'll see an X next to their profile. Simply tap that X to unblock them. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to unblock the user. Tap Yes to confirm. And just like that, they'll be removed from your blocked list. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone on Snapchat. They'll now be able to send you snaps and messages again. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.